Hi guys, how you doing? Good to see you. I've got some in the post today, so yeah, we don't need these, but here's a clue what it is. It's the Samsung Galaxy VR with the controller. I had two of these from my S7 Edge, but the S7 Edge didn't fit it because the S9 is a bit bigger, obviously. But yeah, that's what it comes with. Just right there, the box for my VR controller, and all the other stuff like that. Oh, it comes with batteries. That's interesting. You normally don't get things with batteries inside, but yeah, batteries. That's inside of that. But yeah, it's a really nice controller. This is what you play games with. That's probably it. If you want to play shooting games, you press that to fire, I guess. But yeah, pretty good. This is first time actually owning one of these with the controller. Came out in 2017. But yeah, it looks really good for the Samsung. Any Samsung, to be honest. S8, Note 8. But yeah, and Note 9 now, which I'm filming on right now. I'll put a link in description below of me unboxing my Note 9. No, my Note 9. Samsung S9 Edge. Get it right. But yeah, it looks shiny as all. Really shiny. Can actually see my room, half of my room now. You don't need. You can just go like that. You can actually near enough see my room. That's inside of there, like that. And the other way where you see inside, you put your phone on that side. That's just the clickers to make it. If you got a S8 or something and it doesn't fit properly, you just pull that together and then click them like that. But yeah, pretty cool. That's a nice cushion side for it. Pretty cool. That comes with that, which I don't need no more. Well, I'm keeping the box anyways. Also, it comes with a new adapter. Where's my camera? A new adapter thing for you. If that one breaks, you got a new one. That's handy. Pretty much all this is brand new, to be honest. It's all brand new. It's not bad for 40 odd quid. But yeah, brilliant. Put that back on, right there, and yeah. I won't be, I'm always, leaving my computer on all night, which I won't be doing anymore, because I got this. So I can actually, well, we don't need this anymore, because I don't do manual crap. But yeah, I don't think anyone does, to be honest, manuals. If you know what you're doing, there you go. But if you don't know what you're doing, then read them. Simple. Which I don't need them, because I've had loads before. This is an awkward box. It's just strange box. Okay. But yeah, this is just a quick unboxing video for you guys. I will be vlogging tomorrow because we're going to Lightwater Valley, pretty much. So I hope the weather's not going to be like this. Rubbish. I hope not. I hope that clears by tonight. So, I hope so. I hope it says, oh, they're going to Alton Towers. I'm always thinking Alton Towers because I went there last weekend. So, I mean, Lightwell Valley. But yeah. Would these Facebook people go away? I'm vlogging, well, not vlogging, I'm unboxing. So, but yeah, it goes this way, doesn't it? Yes. So, yeah. I'll be doing a vlog there, so. Oopsie daisy. Also, you can talk on this, it's pretty cool, actually. You can actually talk while watching a video, it's like being in the cinema. It's awesome. It actually jump scared me once, that some random girl just talked, saying hello. I'm like, what? Hello? She answered back. I thought it was on the screen, but I didn't know it was a chat thing. It was awesome. You can chat through the world on the VR cinema. So yeah. But anyways, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you like, share, and favourite. And also comment if you got one of these and if you like it or anything like that. I wish I'm getting promoted for this, but you know, oh well, never mind. Views are views, likes and all that stuff is awesome. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video, which is tomorrow. I've still got loads of bus videos, but they can wait. But anyways, I'll see you later. Bye bye for now.